Welcome to Daikin Air Conditioning, world's #1 air conditioning company from Japan. Sold in over 140 countries worldwide, Daikin Air Conditioners cool in your home as well as in offices, shops, hotels, airports and malls. Daikin is the one and only air conditioning company in the world that specializes in manufacturing, sales and after-sales and refrigerants. Daikin India's wide range of product include high-wall split air conditioners in inverter and star-rated categories, cassettes, ductables, VRV and chillers. Daikin India's manufacturing facility in Rajasthan aims at creating products that will make people's life more comfortable. Daikin India has introduced latest air conditioning technologies to Indian consumers like VRV system and environment-friendly R32 refrigerant. Daikin is also a pioneer in power-saving inverter technology in air conditioners. Daikin India has country-wide service network for enriching our customers' experience. Daikin India's air conditioning range is ideally suited for your needs because of our superior product quality and after-sales service. To experience Daikin products exclusively, visit Daikin Solutions Plaza at Electro World 171A, LIG Flat, Rajouri Garden Market, New Delhi 110027, near Cambridge Foundation School, 9871 845817 8800 49 8447.